Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you 5 ways you can use duct tape to spruce up any party. So these are basically going to be some little ideas that you can use for any party, doesn't matter what theme it is. This one I'm kind of going for the UK royal wedding theme because that's this weekend, but you can use it for pretty much any party. Like the World Cup's coming up, you can put your own flags on there. Obviously you don't have to be UK. You can do a princess pie with all pinks and purples, whatever. So to start off, I'm going to make some little flags to put into cupcakes. So to start off, I am going to take the blue duct tape, make a little rectangle. I'm going to make another rectangle the same size. I'm going to overlap these, leaving stickiness on one edge. They're not totally overlapped. And I'm going to cut the stickiness off of one side, so you only got stickiness on the one edge. And then I'm going to use the other duct tape colours to create the actual detail on the flag. And like I say, these I'm just going to pop into the top of cupcakes. You can put them on top of burgers or anything if you're having like a barbecue instead. So it doesn't have to be cupcakes. Then I'm going to take a toothpick or a cocktail stick, and I'm just going to place this on the back where the stickiness is and fold that over onto itself so it creates the actual flag and it's attached to the stick. And all you have to do is then just pop it into your cupcake or burger or whatever else you're having. You don't have to actually have like a country's flag, you can do like little colourful plain flags, but that's it. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to make a bunting. This is just to decorate like the table, and for this you need some thread, some strips of duct tape which are approximately 2 centimeters long. You're just going to attach these to the thread by placing the thread in the middle of the duct tape and folding it over. And we're going to repeat this for a few other flags. Then we're going to cut these into triangle shapes. You don't want them square, you want them triangle. Do it to every single bit of duct tape you have across there, and that makes a bunting. All you need to do then is just tape it to a couple of straws, and then you can just tape the straws to your table and stand them up as a decoration. Next I am going to make whatchamacallit? I have not got a clue. Napkin holder. So you just cut off a rectangle from the middle upwards from a sheet of duct tape, fold it over onto itself, so you've got like a strip of duct tape with the stickiness on one side, and then we're just going to cut up some like triangle pieces, and this is going to create a little crown. So you keep doing that until you've gone to the end of the tape, and then you can decorate it by adding some like glittery duct tape or something just for like jewels on the crown. That is totally optional, you don't have to. So that's what I've done here. And then all you have to do after that is fold it round, and with the sticky part of it just stick it down onto itself and use that to hold napkins. The next one, I am going to create a small rose, and I'm going to use this to decorate glasses or paper cups. So at parties you tend to usually have more paper cups or plastic cups, so this is just a way to make those look a bit nicer. So I'm going to cut squares of duct tape. It's going to be 2.5 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters, and I'm going to use these to make the petals for the flower. So I'm going to take out one of the squares that I cut up. I'm going to fold over one corner, leaving a bit of stickiness at the bottom. I'm going to fold over the other side, so it creates a triangle at the top, there's stickiness at the bottom. So I'm going to make quite a few of those, and you're going to need quite a few. So you're going to grab one and you're going to roll it up. If you've made duct tape flowers before, this should be super easy for you. So I'm going to roll this up to make the little bud that'll be in the centre of the flower. It is a bit fiddly. I usually make the petals a bit bigger, but because this is just a decoration on a cup, I thought I'd make it smaller. So there you go, you've got the middle part of it. And then you just have to keep adding more of the petals and wrap them around that. Just keep building it up until you get a nice full flower. So just keep doing that. Then once it's done, it will look like that, as you can see. Mine's just sitting there. Now I'm going to take another piece of duct tape, just going to use some glittery duct tape. Just going to make a strip of it. And I'm just going to put this around a paper cup. Just for decoration. Then put some double-sided sticky tape onto the back of the flower. And I'm just sticking that onto where the tape is. Just for a nice little fancy look to a paper cup. Now if you use the more reusable plastic cups, which are better for the environment, you can use them. I'd recommend using washi tape instead of the duct tape, because it's less sticky, so it will be able to come off a lot easier without actually ruining your cup, because you'll want to use it again. So just do the same thing, just with washi tape when you attach it to the cup. And that's that one. And for the last thing, I'm going to take a normal cake stand. This is actually a turntable, but I use it for a cake stand. And I'm just going to make a little fringe for it, just to stop it being boring. So I'm going to take a strip of duct tape, fold it in half, then I'm going to get my hobby knife and just make slits in it all the way down it to make like a tassel effect. So once I've done that, I'm going to attach another piece of tape to it. So I'm going to flip that over, then attach the tassels I just made. And then I'm going to do pretty much the same thing with white, but with this one I'm going to leave a little bit of stickiness showing at the top, so when I fold it over, it's not folded over fully. I want the sticky line all the way across. Again, make the tassels, and then we're just going to attach this above the original red tassels that you made. And then we're going to do exactly the same thing with blue as well. Just make it a red, white and blue thing. Obviously, like I said before, you can make it any colour you want to go with your party. And all I'm going to do with this is stick it around the turntable, and that just creates another little pop of colour. And this is what it looks like when it's done. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!